Hello students, welcome to my channel. In last class, we have discussed about exercise 3.1, that is angle sum property of polygon and basics of polygon. Today we are going to start exercise 3.2, which is based on exterior angle property. So we remind it first that as per exterior angle property, the sum of all exterior angle always 360 degree. So there are a few questions. Our first question is find x in following figures. So this is a figure. In this we have to find the value of x. So if I apply exterior angle property, then x plus 125 degree plus 125 degree is equal to 360 degree, because sum of all exterior angles is 360 degree. So this will become x plus 250 is equal to 360. So x will be equal to 360 minus 250. So value of x will be 110 degree. So this is our answer. Value of x is 110 degree. Next, second question. Here also we have to find value of this x. This angle is 90 degree. So bilinear pair, this angle is also 90 degree and this angle is also 90 degree. Now we have to find x. The same property we will apply again. So what we will get, let's check. So here we have x plus 90 plus 60 plus 90 plus 70. All these are exterior angles. So when I add them, I will get x plus 9 plus 9 18 plus 6 24 and 7 310 degree is equal to 360 degree. So value of x will be 360 minus 310, that is 50 degree. This is our answer. Now our next question is find measure of exterior angle of regular polygon of 9 sides. Now we know what is regular polygon. Polygon in which all sides and all angles are equal. So a regular polygon with having 9 sides. So just single formula is there. Exterior angle is equal to 360 degree upon number of sides. You have to remember this formula only. So in first case we have to find exterior angle. So exterior angle, I am writing it in short form. Exterior angle will be 360 degree upon how many sides? 9 sides. So 9 4s. So each exterior angle will be 40 degree. Similarly, if number of sides are 15, then when we solve this, it will be 24 degree. 15 2s are 30 and 15 4s are 60. So this is how with this formula you can find exterior angle when number of sides are given. So any number of sides you can find exterior angle for regular polygon. Remember, this formula is only applicable for regular polygon. Next, how many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its exterior angle is 24 degree? Here sides are given, you have to find angle. Here angle is given, we have to find number of sides. So same formula will be used by shifting. So using this formula, number of sides comes this side will be equal to 360 degree upon exterior angle. So this will be 360 upon angle is given 24. So when you solve, you will get 15. So our polygon, regular polygon, is having 15 sides. So this is how you have to find. If number of sides are given, use this formula to find exterior angle. If exterior angle is given, use this formula to find number of sides. Next question. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165? Here exterior angle was given, there interior angle is 165 degree. So suppose this is, I don't know what will be the answer, so I am taking any shape, suppose this, and this exterior angle is 165 degree. So this interior angle will be 180 minus 165 degree. Sorry, interior angle is 165. Interior angle is 165 degree. So we don't know the exterior angle. So we have to find exterior angle first. So exterior angle is equal to 180 minus 165. 165 is interior angle. That is 15 degree. Now we know exterior angle is 15 degree. So we can use same formula. We know exterior angle, that is 15 degree. So number of sides is equal to 360 by 15, that is 24. So polygon is having 24 sides. Next question. Is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of exterior angle 22 degree? Is it possible to have a polygon, regular polygon with exterior angle 22 degree? So if you apply same formula, number of sides, we have to find number of sides, that is equal to 360 upon exterior angle is 22. So when you try to cancel, this is 180 by 11. It is a fraction, not a whole number. अब number of sides whole number ही हो सकता है, 4.5 sides तो नहीं हो सकते किसी में, 180 by 11 sides नहीं हो सकते. Sides होंगे तो 10 होंगे, 11, 12, 13 इस टाइप से होंगे. So 22 is not a factor of 360, so it is not possible to have exterior angle 22 degree, and interior angle 22 is also not possible, because if interior angle is 22, then our exterior angle will be 180 minus 22, that is 158 degree, and 360 is not divisible by 158 also. So it is not possible that 22 degree is exterior angle or interior angle of any regular polygon. Now our last question is, what is minimum interior angle and maximum exterior angle possible for regular polygon? मतलब किसी भी regular polygon में जो भी है, मिनिमम 3 साइड से लेके मैक्सिमम जितने भी साइड होते हैं, मिनिमम इंटीरियर एंगल कितना होना चाहिए, कितना हो सकता है, और मैक्सिमम एक्सटीरियर एंगल कितना हो सकता है. तो सिंपल सा सॉल्यूशन है, द स्मॉलेस्ट पॉलीगॉन विद स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबल साइड्स आर ट्राइंगल. Polygon with minimum number of sides is triangle, and we should have a regular polygon, so it should be equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means this side and this side are equal. So suppose this angle is x, this angle is also x, and this angle is also x. Then we know that by angle sum property, x plus x plus x is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of three angle of triangle is 180. So 3x is equal to 180 So x is equal to 60 degree. So minimum interior angle possible is 60 degree. Now suppose this maximum possible exterior angle is y, then x plus y will be 180, 60 plus y will be 180, so y will be equal to 180 minus 60, that is 120 degree. So this is maximum possible exterior angle is 120 and minimum possible interior angle is 60 degree, and this polygon which is applicable for this rule is equilateral triangle. So this is all about your exercise 3.2. You solve all the question. If you have any doubt, then you can ask in the comment box, and if you like this, then please like, share and subscribe the channel, share it with your friends so that more and more students get beneficial with this video. Thank you.